Okay, we're on the Kennet and Avon Canal. I didn't film getting here from the train station, it's a bit stressful. All a bit new to me again. So, cycle for the next 12 hours, see how far I get. Good morning. But we'll see how we go. Steps. Not good. A lot of people living in the barges along here. So the sun's just coming out. Got a lot of people cycling, running, walking. So many barges. So many liveaboards. Oh, this is going to be nice. Bit of a spectacular bit. Avon Cliff. Going to go over a aqueduct. That's a first for me. Somerset Coal Canal. Wow. Let's go over the Avon, River Avon, upper reaches. Bit flooded. It's on the railway line. Interesting. Morning. So we're coming to another aqueduct. Second one this is. Over the railway line. And now we go over the River Avon, I think. The canal goes off to the left. Maybe some locks here. I think it's going to drop. Bit of a hill to go up. Pretty busy. Okay, so we're going to head back out into the countryside. bit windy today. Stop somewhere and have my breakfast, late breakfast. No idea what time it is. Okay, I'm 31 k's in. A nice tailwind. So even on this rough gravel I'm getting 16-20 k an hour. Just coming up to Devizes now. Place I've never been before. So the gravel should get better as a nearer town, I think. That's what normally happens. We're halfway up Devizes locks now. I think the canal's leaking. Oh, we're not halfway up. We're at the bloody bottom. Right. Wow. Quite a set of locks. Backside's killing me. Hey. Okay, here we go. See you at the top. So, a little update. It's going to be dark because I've got the sun directly behind me. It's not very good, is it? 63 kilometres. I'm on sliding mud again. Don't know how long this is going to go on for. Hard work. I haven't fallen yet. Nearly just did. Just going to have a look at the phone, see if it gives me any indication how long this goes on for. Doesn't matter, does it, how long it goes on for? I've got to keep going. So it's 20 past 4. Start getting dark in 2 hours. Well, I'm right next to a train line. You might see a train in a minute, if you like trains. Oh, there we go. I like trains. Okay, check this out. First tunnel. Not sure where I go. Up and over. Hopefully it's going to be signposted. Don't know how long the tunnel is. Might be a sign here telling me a little bit about it. We've got the steps, I think. Yep. Bruce Tunnel. Okay. Well, there we go. There it is. I'm going to go up there. Right, we're at the top. Didn't read how long the tunnel was. Anyway, switch the GoPro off and I'll pull it back on when we're going down there. Downhill in 65 kilometres. It's been flat or uphill, only slightly uphill. Oh, very nice. Ah, there's the canal. I thought it was going to be a lot longer tunnel than that. Oh, this looks bloody muddy down here. That's the same. It's alright. Okay, the sun's just setting. Done 79 kilometres. I'm going to keep going for a little bit more. I'm pretty shattered. Find somewhere really nice as it gets dark to camp, then I'll stop. But if not, I don't know. I fancy trying to get 100 kilometres done today. The legs are fine. Backside's killing me. And my hands are killing me. And my neck's killing me. We'll see. Sun is set and I've just found a shop. Got some water, got some pasta that's already cooked, so I haven't got to muck around cooking because I'm shattered. That's all I got, that's all I fancied. Hungerford, that's the name of the town I'm in, which I remember from my childhood because there was a mass murder there. Someone shot a lot of people a long time ago with a shotgun, I think. Right, so we'll keep going. I've got all the lights on, got a coat on, I've got water now, so I'm happy. I didn't want to wake up with no water. Got 2 litres. So we might and put my speedo on. Better do that.